The price of one Powerledger/POWR coin right now is $0.3970374. It's gone up 4% in the past 24 hours. The price of POWR ended higher than it started 52.38% of the time. 4 days ago, the highest price we've ever seen for one POWR was $1.77. The price is now minus 77.57% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 6 of them say to buy and 7 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bearish. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 49.55, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 47.79, which also shows that the market is acting normally. 4 times out of 7, the price of POWR on the last day of January was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 7, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In each of the last 8 years, February has been the best month for Powerledger. 5 times as much POWR was worth at the end of February as it was at the beginning of the month. 6 times out of 8, the price at the end of June was less than the starting price. June is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. Our Powerledger price estimate says that the price of POWR could reach $0.4307815 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think the price will be $1.49 in 2025 and $2.74 in 2030. Taking all of the past highs and lower timeframe predictions into account, the prediction for 2040 is $8.25. We think the price of Powerledger will be $1.49 in 2025. That is the highest price we think POWR will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $1.14. POWR is now worth $0.39739, which is $0.239752 more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, POWR is expected to grow a lot. Powerledger has a score of 63 out of 100, which means it is currently showing signs of going up. It is thought that the price of Powerledger will go up to $0.715302 by the end of 2023. Powerledger's price has gone up by 3.64% in the last 24 hours. After going through a bear market, Powerledger has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Powerledger is likely to hit a high point of $1.51 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Powerledger has been going down in value over the last week, as the coin has dropped 34.54%. This is why we think there will be a small recovery within the next week, as buyers buy POWR during this drop.